What's going on, good people? Martina Britt Yelverton here. Let's hope that I have this up and running and that it is actually live. Let me check it out here on my screen. And then let me pull over another screen so I can have it up and ready to go for you guys. Okay, so day 10 challenge, and I'm starting on the tail end. I have to go back and figure out what challenge I missed before today. Day 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, and 2, and 1. I have to figure out what I've missed, but according to the information, I hope you guys can hear me okay. I have my earbuds in this time, just trying to get a little bit of clarity on the live that I'm doing. But day 10 challenge lets us know that we need to get busy posting some how-to content on our profile. So I'm doing that today. So what I'm talking about today is how to see first post or content from industry leaders on Facebook. So I want you to drop the 1 if you're watching live, 2 if you catch the replay. What's going on? Alex out of South Carolina. What's going on? Bryant, where are you located at, my friend? Go ahead and drop your city and state, of course, but definitely put that 1 if you are watching the live. So a lot of people have asked me about how to see first. Hey, Dr. Edwards, it is so good to see you. I see that you're watching live from my pop-up here. So guys, go ahead and get the video shared. What's going on, Chantel? Thank you for posting your 1 for watching live. One of the things that a lot of people don't realize how to do, and yes, it was great seeing you this past Sunday, Dr. Edwards. That was amazing. What's going on, Miss Lisa Butts? And I do apologize if you guys hear my neighbors. Should have thought about that before I got started on the live, but I'm going to take my camera in just a moment and I'm going to flip it around so you guys can see here on Facebook Live what I am trying to do. But one of the things that happens on Facebook is because of their new algorithm, it is allowing people the inability to see what they need to see in their timelines the way they need to see it. And with our time being so stretched right now, a lot of people don't know that they can see first industry leader content that they need to see. So I'm going to flip my camera around and actually show my Facebook screen here. And the only reason I didn't do it directly from my desktop is because then I wouldn't be able to see you guys and you see my beautiful face as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip this around so you can see it and so that I can walk you through what's going on, Lisa out of Maryland. I'm going to walk you through how to see first what you need to see when you're trying to kind of decipher your timeline and see first what you need to see. Because on today, when I popped on and finally got my Facebook up, the first thing I saw was our announcement about our I think it was for this Thursday. We have a call coming up this Thursday, and corporate used one of my designs to put, and I was like, yes, when corporate uses your design on a corporate announcement, you have so much arrived. So thank you all who I work with for constantly posting and encouraging me to keep creating services and collateral that you all need to go further in your businesses. I'm grateful for that. But we're going to keep this one really short today because I'm working on my time. So let me flip this around here. Yeah, I hit the cancel button, y'all. I'm glad it didn't stop. Let me flip my camera around here. Hey, Janice, what's going on, Sonia? Alrighty, so let's see if I can get it to act correctly because I have it on my stand. All right, so here we go. This is my screen up and running. I hope you guys can see that okay. Let me know if you cannot. If you can see it okay, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and I'll jump right over into the information that I'm trying to help you guys see. Give me some thumbs up so I know that you can see it okay. Alrighty, so we'll hope that you can. And like I say, I'm trying to keep this short, so I'm going to jump right into it. What's going on, Mr. Donald Evans, sir? Alrighty, so right here, when you are trying to see an industry leader, let me see. Let's go to Mr. June Collier's page. And let's go right here to his name. Okay, so when I clicked on his name, it'll allow me to see information over here inside of his profile. See how I have right here checked this little box that says see first? So that means when I immediately hit my Facebook home button, I'm going to see first whoever it is as soon as they, do a recent post. Okay, so say I was trying to, let me use you, Dr. Edwards. So I'll go down here to Dr. Kimberly Edwards and see right here where I have her name, we're friends. When I hover over that, it populates her information here as her profile on Facebook. If I go ahead and click her name, it's going to bring up her profile page, and then I am available to go over here to where it allows me to select options, okay? And when it allows you to do that, you're available to select to see first. Let's go here to Mr. Keith Tucker. If I go over to his and I select his name, it'll allow me to select options over here where I am following, and I can say see first. Alrighty, so like when I populated my page this morning, see now Keith Tucker pops up first, and that way I'm available to see industry leader content instantly when I'd like to. And I say that because a lot of people don't realize that because Facebook has really become more of a paid platform, meaning if you really want to see everything that you want to see on the platform, you almost have to pay or sponsor your information to get it to show up more often. But if you go to that industry leader that you are trying to see first to be able to see their content, when you go over to their profile, you'll be able to select how you'd like to list them, as friends, as family, if you'd like to put them on a list. And I'll do another live on how to create lists, because it's really helpful when you're trying to get posts out to a targeted market without having to use ads. You're able to then go to the next option that says following, and under there, when you click that arrow that drops down, then you're able to select see first. And then whenever you open up your Facebook, those people that you have set up, thank you, I appreciate that. Those people that you have selected to see first, you'll see their content first over anyone else's content. And that really helps you like drill down into your timeline a lot of information that you're not used to seeing. So I hope that was helpful. I wanted to keep this really short today. Thank you guys for popping on and chiming in live. Let me see if I can scroll up here and do my shout outs before I let you good guys go. So thank you for watching, Kelsey. Thank you again, Dr. Edwards. Thank you for sharing. I appreciate it. Everybody who has shared, thank you for chiming in. Chantel, Odie's, Miss Rhonda, all of you guys who are chiming in, putting your 1 for watching live, and of course putting your 2 if you catch the replay. I hope this has been helpful this evening. Just wanted to keep it short and sweet and make sure that I did say that, because I get that question asked a lot, like how do I really see the people that I want to see on my timeline? You can go and actually elect to see them by selecting that see first option. So I hope that was helpful. My name is Martina Britt Yelverton, branding specialist, income strategist, and really all around great, good person full of information that I love to share with you guys. Again, I hope it was helpful. Enjoy your afternoon. Talk soon to your success.